Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cornbread using Jiffy mix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 box of Jiffy cornbread mix, 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, lightly grease an 8-inch square baking pan or a 9-inch cast iron skillet. This preparation ensures your cornbread bakes perfectly and releases easily. Now, let's mix our batter. In a medium bowl, combine the entire package of Jiffy cornbread mix with 1 large egg and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients together gently, just until they are moistened. It is important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. A few small lumps are completely fine and will contribute to a wonderfully tender texture in your final product. With your batter ready, carefully pour it into your greased 8-inch square baking pan or cast iron skillet. Spread the batter evenly to ensure consistent baking. Place the pan into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You will know it is perfectly baked when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating it's cooked through. Once your cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. This brief cooling period helps it set and makes it easier to slice without crumbling. Then, you can cut it into 8 generous pieces. Serve your warm, golden cornbread with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or as a perfect accompaniment to chili, soups, or any hearty meal. Enjoy your homemade, delicious Jiffy cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.